Hello, friends. Here we are going to talk regarding career. We all are worried for our career when we are in graduations, we are pursuing any type of professional course. We all think like whether we'll get the job in our same specialization or not. It happens with maximum percentage of the students. Firstly, I'm going to talk regarding the freshers and later on the experienced, and then we'll talk about the main thing like what is the industry you can choose. See, when you don't get chance in your industry and you feel like you have caliber, you have good communication skills, and you are having the graduations at least, and few companies would be asking for the specialization as per your skill set or as per their requirements and all. Then we come to one industry where if you are with IT background or IT graduation you are having, or just graduation would work with few companies too, and communication skill is there with you, then you can make a good career, and you can explore that even for your futuristic goals. And how and when you can do, I'll explain you here. See, first two three like I would explain you two three things should be there with you. First is your graduation, at least graduation, and it is good if it is having IT specialization. Second is the communication skill set. If you do have these two skills, then you are ready product for a market where what I'm going to explain you soon, and you can explore a lot. If you want to have more ideas and all, you can view my next video. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Umesh, and I have around 12 years of experience in my industry, what I'll be explaining you in next video. And there you can make your career great, and obviously you will get a lot of help from my videos. And just subscribe me and follow up all the videos. You'll be learning about a profile, what the profile you can make, and what is the helpful thing there for your career. You can choose that, choose like that. Okay, so just stay tuned with me and try to follow up all the videos one by one. I'll be explaining you which industry, second, what is the career you are going to get, how you can work, means like what are the titles you can get there. So these three things or like four things you'll be getting there, and more to more I would try to explain there. I would try to add up maximum things what I can, which can give you the best training ever, and you won't need to go here and there. So just learn and do the practical things accordingly. I'll explain each and everything in my all videos about the industry. Obviously I'll let you know in my second video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.